Hello, my name is Priya and I am originally from Fiji Islands and live in Australia. I am a fitness instructor and a Bollywood dance teacher and a yoga teacher in Australia. So I had this breathing problem since birth where I had a deviated septum where I had a bone on the right side of my nostril, on my septum, where I couldn't breathe properly and even my left side was a little blocked. So most of my life I've been breathing through my mouth. Because of my job, I do vigorous kind of exercises about 3 hours a day, 5 days a week, and where I do need to breathe properly. And because I've been breathing through my mouth, that had become a bit difficult on my chest, so I was breathing very heavily, and it was just getting very difficult, and I really needed the operation done. So Chennai plastic surgery, talked to the doctors and came here with the consultation. They showed me the photos and they described what the procedure is going to be. And the procedure was for 2.5 hours where they removed the bone in my right septum. I had a little bit of crooked nose because of the bone that I had in the right side. So my tip of the nose was pointing towards my left a little bit. So they straightened that. So that was rhinoplasty that was done by Dr. Karthik. That was straightened. And I had a little hump in the on the top bit of my nose here. That was removed as well. So after the procedure, they put me in a private room with a private nurse that was only appointed for me, and they put a splint on top of my nose and plastered it. They gave me painkillers and all the different sorts of tablets that was needed, and after about a few hours, I was put on a liquid diet where they provided the soup or whatever I had during that day. And so I went back to the hospital to get my nose cleaned after a couple of days, and yesterday, after 4 days, my splint was removed, and they've put plaster around my nose and face. So I've got a little bit of bruising on my face and a little bit of bruising under my nose and stuff. Otherwise, the swelling isn't so bad. And Dr. Karthik is really happy, and so am I. I'm very happy with the procedure. So the plaster that I've put around my nose right now is to avoid any more swelling at the moment. So I am very happy with the procedure and with chennaiplastic surgery.